is the supplementary of 110 degrees. The value of angle is supplement angle is 110 degrees of 50%. Suppose supplementary angle is 180 minus 110 degrees. 180 minus 110 degrees is equal to 70 degrees. 70 degrees 50% of 50% equal to 70 degrees. Total angle is equal to 70 plus 70 is equal to 140 degrees. 50 plus 50 is equal to 100% is equal to 140 degrees.